we've got a bit of a time, so I would probably show you how our camper van looks like. So we got a camper van from Travellers Autobarn, and this is a 2 to 3 berth Kuga camper van. So far our stay is good. It's pretty warm inside because we've also got a heater, and I'll probably show you what's inside our camper van and tour you around and see if this fits on what you're looking for. So first things first, the passenger side. As you can see here, there's a bit of a space, and we've got a lot of compartments. Got a lot of compartments over there wherein you can place more things, and we've got also another compartment here. You can see, yeah, there's a lot of places where you can put your stuffs here, and there's also a bit of a small place here where you can put some more stuff. So for me, it's my shades and filter for my camera. And I really don't want to show you more of it because it's a bit messy, but there's also big size of things where you can put your stuff there, and waters and like that. And now the most important thing, I think, in a camper van is what it looks like in front. And so this is what it looks like from the back. So we've already set up the bed, and we're just fixing it up so that we can use it as a table and a chair. But this is how it looks like, and because this is a 2 to 3 berth, there's also another bed on top of that one.
So there's the third bed on this camper van, so you need to pile this thing up on this what do you call it, area so that it can form into a bed. Back to Zina.
So yeah, but we are actually too lazy to set that one up, so we're not really using the third one. And since there's enough space for both of us, so Lay is lying here and I am lying here, and it's just like in between us. We've got separate sleeping bags as well, so it comes with 3 sleeping bags, 3 pillows, and 3 towels as well. So it's really comfortable. And I've also, if you also rent it out during winter times, they're also gonna request, or you can also request for a free heater where you can use it because it's gonna be pretty cold inside. So yeah, we're just setting it up, and maybe later I'll show you how it is. So we've also got curtains when you open it up, so it's curtains on both sides. There you go. And I can show you the rest of how the camper van looks from the other side or from the inside. And now it's almost set up. We just need to put the table, but I'll probably show you the different compartments that this van has. So far we've got this compartments, 3 compartments. So our luggages are there, and one over there as well. It's pretty big, and we're just putting away our heater, and the other one, it's over here, and this is where some of the stuffs are here. So the power cable, we've got a hose, a clean water hose, and a gray water hose there as well. And you've got also one compartment over there. So it's a
just push.
So there's actually quite a lot of compartment where you can put your things in. So this is how you set up the table. Just put it right there, shoot it, then bring this down again.
I can't carry this by myself.
put it there. Voila! We got ourselves a table, but we just have to tighten that one before we go. But yeah. We've also got lights over here, so you can just turn it off, turn the blue, white, and there's 2 more there. Later, let's go inside. But yeah, this is how it looks like so far. And now let's go inside. Okay. So now that we are inside, I'm gonna show you this. Let me just fix my towel. Yeah, there. So you can see here we've got this one chargers over here, so you can plug it, and there's also a plug here where you can use it. And then this is the main switch when you put on the electric plug to the camper. And this is our cooking area. So this is the stove over there, and yeah, the gas is off at the moment, so we won't be able to operate that one. And we've got another storage over there, so please excuse the messy the messy part of it. We've got a sink which is filled with empty bottles. It's just filled with empty bottles at the moment. And we've also got our kitchen stuff over there, so another empty bottle. So yeah, another storage area, and then you've got everything that you need over there as well, cooking food. And then we've also got microwave, and this microwave can only operate if you put the plug on the main power source. So, and also we've got a fridge, and this operates like 24/7 because this van also has a solar panel installed in the roof, so definitely this can run 24/7 because we can just put our food in there. So let's open it up. We've got some of our leftovers there, some Coke, yeah, so it's pretty decent size, so it's alright. So yeah, basically that's it. We showed you around our camper van and living in a camper van life. It's pretty nice and good experience as well, and so far, I mean, I've been enjoying it. I think probably the downside of it is you need to set it up and set it down again, especially at night, so that makes some time as well. But yeah, and the other downside of it is if you're parked away from the toilet. But good thing also that got a portable potty. I forgot to show you that one because it's outside. Let me just open this one and I'll show you. So that is where our portable potty is. It's just outside at the moment. Because we're going to empty that one out and clean it out before we go ahead to our next destination. And and this is where the porta potty is stored. So open this one up and the porta potty will go over there. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that this would help you in deciding on what camper van that you want to take when you do a road trip here in New Zealand. I would definitely recommend hiring a camper van instead of a car, because when I computed the expenses, it's just almost the same when you rent a car and when you book a hotel. So this one is pretty cheaper, and you get to really just stop everywhere and appreciate the surroundings, and you can just stop and have a coffee or eat your food in here and with a view like this. So hope you enjoy this. If you like this video, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and click that bell button so that you'll get notified if I have new videos. Cheers!